Well, I got my camper, as I call it, my ambulance turned into a camper, and I've got the air conditioner working on the unit when the engine is running in the back and the front, but I needed to get something where when I'm docked and I'm sitting there or maybe boondocking, I can go ahead and run air conditioner in hot weather. So I am installing a air conditioner in the back window, and as you will see, I've done some cutting in it, and let's kind of follow through as we watch the installation. All right, thank you. Okay, as you can see, I've got it roughed in just a little bit. So I had to cut it out just a little bit, about 1 inch. So I did about a 1/2 inch on both sides. And that I drilled through and put these braces in. This is a 6,000 BTU air conditioner. And I ran it all day yesterday just like that, and have a little kind of rubber mat plugged in there right now. But we're going to be putting in, it's more secure. But I drilled these all the way through. Kind of, I need to get the key out, open it up, and let's see what it looks like on the inside. I got the air conditioner in, secured very well. You can see the gaps underneath and to the side are minimal. Okay, I have some sealant that I'm going to put on it. I've got to paint the boards and get smaller screws right there. So we'll do that, so get it all weather sealed, and I'll seal it whenever I put that on too. So it's coming along, getting it down. Now, I did use a little generator that I bought. It worked out for about 3 hours. Really good. Plugged into the system. Let's kind of come around here. Show where I plug it in, right there. But after about 3 hours, I think the generator wasn't strong enough with the heat and that to keep things going. So I had to turn it off, and I went ahead and made sure the battery charger was going. So I'll have to look at really getting a bigger generator in order to do it. I think the generator would do it if it was plugged just directly into the air conditioner itself, but that's not what I want. I want to be able to have full access to all the electrical in the camper. So I'll keep you updated. On a recent trip to the city of Midland, I was looking for some generators and that I had mentioned earlier, and I went to Harbor Freight. This is not sponsored by Harbor Freight, but while I was there, all of a sudden I heard, "Hey, Dan the Rockman," and what it was one of my subscribers and that. So we chit-chatted for a while. He had bought some rocks, saw some video that I'd done, and he's polished up some beautiful Arizona petrified wood that he got cut. So we had a good time chatting and that, and then went outside and took a picture in front of the rock doctor. And so I wanted to have a little shout out to my subscriber. If you see me out there, feel free to just holler, and I'd love to chat with you and see what you're doing in rocks and that. So again, I wanted to thank you. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and give me a thumbs up. And if you have, please leave a comment. See what you're doing, telling me what you're doing. I really appreciate it. Talk to you later.